Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats, and welcome to my channel. And this is part 2 of my bags from Lasnv. This company has a huge website filled with a huge array of bags. I mean, just from bags for your little toddler all the way to bags up for beautiful evening bags, and everything in between, totes and purses, and just any kind of bag you would like. And the prices are so rock bottom, unbelievable. You can get a bunch of bags. You really can get a bunch of bags and have a whole wardrobe of them. And they do have a sale going on right now, and they often have sales on the website. But I want to tell you about this particular one. The store event that's going on right now is if you buy $50, you will save $6. And you can always use my discount code. It's a forever code. It's 5% off. It's CATS5 off, no matter when you shop. And usually when you go online, there's some sort of a deal going on. You can overlap the deals. They told me you can do that. So you can get the deal that's online and use the CATS5 off for an additional 5% off of your purchase. So let's see what I have. My part 1 I'll put below if you haven't seen it. In that one, there were a couple of dupes, a dupe bag for sure, and possible trying to be another, an expensive leather brand. And you get a bag that looks like a designer bag and is just pennies compared to the pricing. So the first bag I have, I did take them all out of their plastic bags. They were all wrapped nicely in plastic. And this bag is adorable. Look at how cute this is. A little snake skin purse. This is, it has a texture to it, and it is absolutely adorable. This is called Women Handbag Animal Pattern PU Shoulder Portable Messenger Bag. So this one is, they're all, none of them are leather. They're all the PU leather. So, but some of them feel real, like real leather. This came in the snake skin. It also came in a cow print. This particular bag. Now there are different bags. You might find this same shape bag in different patterns or different colors as well. This just is adorable. I love a little bag like this just for running out to the store real quick, going out to eat, carrying it with me, putting it on the restaurant table because I don't like to hang bags off my chair, and I don't like to put them on the floor. So this can just sit on the table at the restaurant. It won't get in anybody's way. And this bag, there is some stuffing in it. It does have a shoulder strap if you'd like to use that. When it's open, it is just a nice big space in there, a nice big space. You can fit all your little things in there, and it does have a zipper, and all of their zippers are nice the way they all have a nice zipper pull. This is gold hardware on this one, and it zippers like that, so it is secure. And then if you want to, you can add the strap or just carry the strap in the bag with you. It is adjustable. As you can see, it is, again, the gold hardware, and it's adjustable. So you can put this to make it where it's over your shoulder, or you can make it crossbody, which is nice to have crossbody for when you're shopping, you're hands-free and all that. And then here's the little loop here. This is this type of a lot of them have that nice type of easy to hook on. And then the other side, same thing, right here. And then now you have your shoulder bag, or like I said, you can adjust it and make it where it's crossbody. I just love the size of that. It's the cutest thing. And that one, like I said, it's a snake skin, or it came in the cow print. And, excuse me. Next I have this bag. I left this way to show you because this one came with its own little dust cover. And let's see this one. This one has a couple pieces to it. Let me get the page out. This is called Women PU Leather Rivet Studded Shoulder Bag Zipper Messenger Bag, it says. It's a lot of words going on. This one's more expensive. This is $23.42. This is, on their site, their bags are very, very reasonable. Isn't this adorable? This is a, what would you call that? A lime green. This came in like a real lemon yellow. It also came in a real pink, a nice pink, and also came in white. And now this one, y'all, feels like real leather. It really feels like leather. And I don't know if you can tell, but it has a little bit of a sheen, almost like it's coated a little bit in gold. So let me tell you about this bag. It comes with this cute little thing here. You can take this strap off and put that in the bag, or you could tie that to the outside of the bag if you'd like it to be. A lot of people like something hanging off their bag. But this is adorable. This is a little, oh, you can put money in here. It's just a pocket. You can put money in there. You can put your ID in there. It has a second zipper on the front. This right here is perfect. Oh no, sorry, that one is fake. That one's for looks, to go with the studded zipper look. This is silver hardware, so silver colored hardware. Isn't that pretty? You can use this in any bag, really. And then in this bag, I just can't tell you how soft this one is. This one's really soft. Look at how cute it is with all the little studs and buckles and things on it. And this is your pull here. How cute is that? And then a lot of their bags, the zippers go beyond the bag so that you really can open it all the way. This one has this nice stuffing in it, and then it has the strap in here. And when you open this up, it's nice deep, and there is a zipper on the back wall for, you know, money or whatever. And then on the front wall is a pocket that would hold your cell phone or something else, you know, if you have something else, maybe your keys or something. And it's nice and deep, and it's just so cute. And then look at the strap, y'all. Let me see, let me cut this strap so I can show it to you. This is really thick and beautiful. Look at how cute that is for over your shoulder. And it's got all the studding going on. And then this goes, how this is gonna go, it's a little different. It's not gonna clip on, it's a belt. So you adjust it that way, you'll put it on, and then you pick one of these holes to put the strap through. So you can make it, you can adjust it to fit, you know, how you want. So you just like a buckle, there you go. And then I love how soft that is. Look how cute that is. And then you'll do the other side. Again, you can make that, you know, very, very long crossbody, or you can bring this a lot further down, and then you would just have more. Let's see, let's go down a few notches, maybe like to here, and see what that looks like. And I'm loving how soft this is. So this was one of the more expensive bags, if you will, at $23.42. $23.42. Okay, so put that on, and then it goes through here, and then it hangs to the side, and it matches everything else. Isn't that cute? It's so cute, and it is like butter. It's butter soft, and I love it has this for your, you know, to keep your shoulder, and that has braiding around it or whatever. I'm not sure what you call that. You know, that's a nice design around it. Very, very cute with the little bag. A lot of them come with a little extra, a little something extra like that. And then the last bag I have for this video is this preppy style woman lattice pattern PU solid color backpack casual handbag, it says. This is $11.60, y'all. This is adorable, absolutely adorable. This, again, we're talking about a lot of their PU leathers feel like leather, and they look like designer bags. Do you know what this one looks like? I don't know if it's okay to say. I said it in my last video, some of them, but this is like the Christian Dior quilt. Maybe I can say that. You can carry this like this. A lot of people carry their bags like this now. You can use this as a backpack, which I know it's very popular. It's not my thing. Not my thing at all. This one is, there you go. You can adjust these straps for your back. It's super, super cute. All the young kids are wearing them. You know, it's adorable. And it's got, the back has the quilting on it as well. A lot of backpacks, the backs are not decorated. So, you know, if you were to turn it around or something, it looks plain on the back. So that's nice that the pattern goes all the way around. And then again, we have this zipper in the front. This is a nice pocket. This is has a little depth to it. So you can put a little bit in there. You can put your cell phone in here if you want to have it right in front. And then inside here, again, this one has a gold hardware on it. And inside here, there are no pockets, but it is fully lined. And it has a good size to it. Look at how wide it gets. So this is adorable. I love it. Whoops, I just dropped something. I don't know that it was anything important, hopefully not. Well, I dropped this, y'all. Look how cute that is. It's a little fur ball. It feels like rabbit fur, but I'm sure it isn't. I'm sure it's vegan. And it has this cute little clip. Again, you can clip this. This is the type of thing you can clip anywhere. This fell out of this. So you can clip it, let's see. I think where I would clip it is on the front of the bag. Whoops. On this, on the front of the bag, on the zipper here. Now you can do whatever you want with it. You can put it on your keys, you can put it elsewhere. But look how cute that is. I think that looks really good right there. Just adorable. I absolutely love it. Now I am not a backpack person, but this one is adorable. Designer look bags, y'all. Designer look bags for pennies in comparison. So we have this beautiful backpack, and then we have this beautiful bag with the extra added bonus there. And we have the adorable snake bag. I wasn't sure I would like this because snake skin isn't my favorite type of a design, but this one's really pretty and it has a texture to it like it is snake skin. And I love the size. The size I just adore. It's not huge, it's a little bag, but it's perfect for me for running out, or like I said, going out to eat or going to the movies or something. And then the bags from yesterday, designer style bags, crocodile leather, you know, PU leather. It's not real leather, but designer style. And then the fancy $4,500 bag, designer bag for, what was this one, under $20? I have the price. This was in part one. I will put part one below. I think I already said that. I'm looking for the price of this just to tell you real fast. It was $16.18. So there you have it, y'all. Thank you so much, Lasnv, for this beautiful array of purses. And I appreciate it very much. And I know that my subscribers will like this as well. And y'all go check out their sales. And always, whenever you do, no matter when you shop, like I said, I think they always have a sale going on, but go ahead and use Cat's 5 off for an extra 5% off. You might as well save yourself a little money. And thanks for stopping by, y'all, and count your blessings. Bye-bye.